Hello friend. So our today's task is to change the default SSH port to some another number. This is just to prevent the unauthorized access attempt to our on our public VM. So steps would be simple. Let me first log into my VM, or you can log into your VM where you want to change the default port. So first I'll log in. So this is my VM. Say this is vm.ashu.dev. It's mine VM. You can have your own VM with your own name or say some IP where you can log in. So when we don't specify any port with the SSH login, that means log into the default port. So I am with the default port. Okay. So yeah, now I'm logged into the system, and to confirm where my current SSH daemon is running, you can just check it. So systemctl status command, then sshd dot service. So now you can see this server is listening on port 22. That means yeah, SSHD service is up and running on port 22, and we can log in via this 22 port. So as per our today's task, we need to change it. So step one would be open SSD config files. It will be inside etc. So etc ssh then sshd.config. So open this one. Inside this file, you can see here, right? This port is commented with the 22. If in your file, if you don't have this port 22, you can just add this line by yourself at the end or simply uncomment it. Say port 22. I want to give something different. Say, so it is difficult to guess for any unauthorized users. I'll say port 4422. Okay, that is the first step. Second step, as mentioned in the above line, right? If you want to change the port on C Linux system, you have to tell C Linux about this change. So that is what I'm going to change. I'll just copy this command. Of course, port number we have specified, so it is 4422. So this command, let me save the first WQ, then this command and port number what we had entered 4422. Okay, now see, good. It had changed, but yet to take this effect, we need to restart this SSHD service. So instead of a status command, now I'll use restart. Restart. Oh, it's good. Now confirm with the status command. So yeah, you can see here, right? Change the difference between initially and now. So SSHD service succeeded here. Initially it was on port 22, now it is on port 4422. Let's try the login. So, okay, so I'll exit from my VM. Now let's try with the default. So you can see here, connect to host, this particular port 22 connection refused. That means it is no more listening on port 22. So now any unauthorized user access guess or say any script base or log into our public VM won't be easy for anyone to track it out. So now how we log in? So in this case, specify the port number with hyphen P option. So hyphen P, our port was 4422. Correct? Yeah. Now you can see it has asked the password. That means here it is trying to connect and service is up and running on 4422. That's it. Hey, yeah, cool. So now you can see here I was able to change the port from 22 to now port 4422. Now see again here, we are able to access. So now onward, this particular VM will be up and listening on port 44222 for all my SSH request. That's it. Thank you, friend. Thank you for your time. Let's tune for the next videos.